What if I told you that some of the most terrifying science experiments in history weren't done in secret labs, but on the battlefields of World War II? From guided missiles to rumored death rays, the race for global domination pushed science to its limits and beyond. Welcome to Civitas Secrets. Today we uncover the hidden science behind the superweapons of World War II. The Germans introduced something the world had never seen, the V-2 rocket. It traveled faster than sound, struck without warning, and could reach London from over 200 miles away. Developed by Wernher von Braun, the V-2 became the ancestor of modern space rockets. What's chilling? These weapons weren't just built with science. They were tested with no concern for civilian life. And guess what? After the war, von Braun was brought to America under Operation Paperclip, where he later helped NASA land a man on the moon. While Germany focused on tech, Imperial Japan dived deep into biological warfare. In Unit 731, scientists conducted experiments on prisoners, testing plague viruses, biochemical bombs, and human endurance to cold, pain, and poison. It was real, terrifying science used in the worst possible way. Even more disturbing? After the war, some of these scientists were granted immunity in exchange for their research by the U.S. Let's not forget the biggest one of all, the Manhattan Project. In a secret race against time, American scientists created the first atomic bomb. It was a combination of Einstein's theories, quantum physics, and cutting-edge engineering. The bomb dropped on Hiroshima wasn't just a weapon, it was the birth of a new era. Science wasn't just solving problems, it was reshaping global power. After 1945, thousands of scientists from both Axis and Allied sides were recruited in silence. Their research powered the space race, satellite tech, and modern weaponry we see today. Much of what we know, or think we know, about modern science and tech can trace its roots back to this dark era. So, were these super weapons the product of genius or madness? History blurs the line. What's clear is this: when science mixes with war, truth becomes the first casualty. This is Civitas Secrets. Subscribe for more stories they never told you in history class.